By the end of this video, there will be no confusion with REST API. So what is REST API? REST API stands for Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface.
HTTP needs methods because of server must understand what the client want to do with the resource. Without method, every request would look like same. Think of a URL slash products. Now server needs to know fetch products, add product, update product or delete product. HTTP method solve this problem. HTTP was designed for communication. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's a communication protocol between client and server. A protocol needs rules. One important rule is type of operation. That operation is represented by methods. In real life example, think of a bank counter. Same counter, but customers may want deposit money, withdraw money, check balance, close account. The desk is same. Action differs. HTTP methods are like actions. Why URL alone is not enough? Methods give semantic meaning. There are five methods: get, post, put, patch, delete. We can use the get method to get any data from server. We can use post method to create any record on server or in database. Put method is used to update the whole row in database. Patch method is used to modify partial row of database. Delete method is used to remove record from database. I am giving example with database, but this is the standard practice for REST API. So slash products with get method will get all the products. Same slash products URL, but with post method will create a product. So the URL is same, but depending on the request method, the actions are different. As a backend developer, we need to perform the action depending on the request method. Why this design is powerful? What is the advantage of this design? First, standardization. Every developer understand get means fetch data, no confusion. Better routing using Express.js, app.get products, app.post products. Backend can separate logic easily. Better security. The get method should not delete the data. Caching support. Browser knows get requests are usually safe to cache. Huge performance improvement. Scalability. Large internet systems depend on predictable methods. Without methods, internet APIs would become inconsistent. So I hope you are now clear with the request methods in HTTP. And all these request methods are used to create API on backend. And the front-end application will consume those APIs with corresponding request method when needed as per action.